Day 14, 1981, CB750. So we started out, we did 8 to 11 and now 1 to 6. So we did 3 hours in the morning and 5 hours in the afternoon. So that's 8, 2 of us, 16 hours today. Did some final prep work this morning on the forks because we wanted to paint those as we blacked out the wheels and triple trees and stuff today. And that was mainly what we did. In between, rebuilt the carburetors kind of as things unfolded. But here's a look. There's our front wheel, one of the forks, a triple tree, a little front control area, swing arm, another fork. This is a brake rod, and then I got the rear wheel over here. Again, it doesn't look like we put in 16 hours total, but we did. And like the carbs are down here, and they're rebuilt, so we're ahead of the game on that. Just wait for this to dry and get to throw on those Bridgestone trail wings. Looking forward to that. That's day 14.